guys, welcome back. Tell you what, I'm in the garage, guys. Got some Prime 6 charcoal going behind me here, heating up. It's raining. We got chance of storms in the area. I don't know what we're gonna get or not get, but we're not taking any chances tonight, so we just pulled everything over here. Guys, I'm not doing the cook I planned for you. I'll have to do that another day because I ordered some products and it just didn't come in. So, dug through the deep freeze, found some wings. Another wing cook. Sorry, I love wings. But I've teamed up with a company called Grillaholics.com. They sent me some products and we're gonna feature some of that tonight. And I'll hopefully be working with them quite a bit in the near future. And they gave me a discount code for you. It's KEN20. I'll have a link below. KEN20 will get you 20% off any purchase you make through the company. I'm very excited about that. So guys, let's go inside, get some wings seasoned up with some Grillaholics SPG, by the way, and we'll get these things on the grill. Alright, this was about a 3-pound bag of frozen wings that I've had down in the freezer for a while. Kind of needed to cook them up anyway. So tonight's their night. Look at that, guys. They look pretty good. Check out this seasoning from Grillaholics, guys. This is their SPG. That's all we're gonna season this with, guys. Just gonna get it in here, mix it up, make sure they're well coated. Don't have to go real heavy on them. Smells good. First time using this SPG. We will glaze these tonight, I think. I ain't sure with what. A little bit more. You can smell that pepper in there. Woo! Alright guys, that fire comes up, we're gonna get them on. I think we're gonna smoke these some with I think some mesquite wood. That's what I'm thinking. Kind of making this up as I go, believe it or not. You've never seen me do that before, have you? Alright guys, look at that. Alright. This left-handed, that might not be very good. It's hot. Hot fire. Check out these tongs from Grillaholics. Love it. Got a fire over here. The vents need to go on the opposite side. Got some heavy duty grill brushes over there too, guys. Check them out. Alright folks, we can get these going indirect. We're going to throw some smoke on them. I anticipate this will be about a 30-minute cook. Here comes the rain. My back is getting wet. Go ahead and get a little, it's just a single piece of mesquite wood. Should do us just fine. We'll check back here in a bit. Alright guys, we're, I don't know, about 10 minutes in or so. I'm just going to give these guys a flip. They're cooking good. They're starting to get a little color on them. Looks like the major storms are going to miss us, and that's good news. Get another piece of that wood there on the other side. Get some more smoke rolling. Alright, when we come back, we're probably going to go direct heat. Alright folks, see if we can't get this thing going on. Well, I can tell you there's a lot of humidity in the air. Having some issues with my fire, but we're going direct now. Got some smoke on there, should be good. But we're going to start cooking this now. Things will speed up. Means we will be turning these a lot. Alright guys. We'll check back in a bit. Alright guys, let's get in here. Oh yeah, we get some good cooking here now. Gotta keep turning. That's the trick to these when you're doing direct, is to keep turning and move them around. Alright. Check back in a few. Turning and flipping is the name of the game here, guys. We're gonna start moving stuff around, let some of these that are in a little bit warmer areas get up closer to the fire. Although, looking pretty good, guys. We're gonna keep doing this, guys, until we are at temp. Then we're gonna pull back the indirect, and I'm gonna glaze these, guys. I'll show you what I'm decided on here in just a bit. Alright, folks. Yeah, 195. We're there, guys. I'm gonna pull these indirect, and we're gonna glaze them up. Off the bone, off the bone. Oh yeah, we're there, guys. Get these indirect, and we'll get some glaze on there. Might even throw a little bit more smoke on there too. Just for the glaze. Alright guys, this is at the weird point in the video. While I'm editing, I realized I didn't hit record, or I said that my cameraman did not hit record in a vital segment, so I did not, for whatever reason, film me glazing this. This is what I use, guys. This is the G. Hughes sugar-free barbecue sauce. It's sweet and spicy, excellent stuff. I've used it many times, but for whatever reason, did not film that. So back to your regularly scheduled video, guys. Probably don't need to do it at this point, but I want to get a little bit of smoke on this glaze, guys. I found the smallest piece of mesquite wood I could find in there. Alright guys, let's go in one of these drumettes there. I normally don't glaze these. I did tonight because I don't have a lot of salsas. And I think I'm almost out of ranch, so I thought I'd go ahead and glaze them and get that extra flavor in there right off the bat. So guys, let's try this. That sweet and spicy sauce is always good. I can taste that SPG from Grillaholics. I think he's got more pepper than what I see in most SPGs, but very flavorful, guys. Very good. Not what I was going to bring you originally, but this worked out as a great cook. I know I do a lot of wing cooks, and I'm trying to back off of that some, but in a pinch, this is where we are. Oh. Guys, be sure to check out, I'll have links below to grillaholics.com. Remember, Ken20 will get you 20% off your order. They got a lot of great tools, a lot of accessories, and I think you'll be quite happy with what they have. And also, don't forget my friends over at Prime 6 Charcoal. Ken10 will get you 10% off there. So all the links will be below in the description. So check us out. It all helps everybody in the barbecue community. So guys, until next time, God bless ya. Bye-bye.